Okay. All right. This is gonna be a very quick one. Basically, the problem is, let's see. What I think we want to do is just increase the wideness of this part, this inner part. Because, so what we want to do, just on the face of it, sketch, normal. We're gonna draw a let's see, wait, hold on. We're gonna use this line and this line. We're gonna use them, and then we're gonna take the dimension between them. And it should be 42, okay, plus 5, okay. So then what we wanna do is like a C, 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 C. Actually, I probably could have mirrored, but this is gonna be horizontal, this is gonna be vertical, this is gonna be horizontal, and this is gonna be vertical. Okay, then these are all gonna be equal, and then this is gonna be dimensioned to be an M3 hole. Okay. Oh wait, actually, how are we gonna install those? Ay. I guess we can make this way higher, because this is totally disjoint from this cross section. If we were to take this mirror plane, wait, do we have a mirror plane? I think it's actually just this. So if we do section analysis, let's select this plane. So we could actually put our window. Wait, why does that seem so deep? Maybe that is right. Oh yeah, I messed this up. So then how do we want to do this? Plus the height of this is important, because I thought because I'm pretty sure that the height on the old part, what is that called? That's just called X-Sidler. This to here, this is the 21. So that's how high, that's how high the pulley needs to be. So then, yeah, so then we have a serious problem. So I'm guessing that the height of this, well, we could just make it higher, but then that requires raising the carriage. Which actually, maybe that's a better thing. So if we were to take full, let's see how much clearance we have from here to here. 8.3. Hey, what's up, Riley? Bro, you're like one of the most dedicated viewers, man. Riley the Cajun food lover. Let's go to channel. I love you, Riley. It's good to have you. Okay, so we have 8 millimeters that we can raise this. So honestly, I'm wondering if we just make it 8 millimeters higher. Wait. Let me think about this. Okay, the belt goes below it, so this should work. It's getting there. We're almost ready for it to because the thing is, oh well, that's great to hear. All right, so let's just keep powering through then. So what is the problem? The problem is basically if we go to, dude, it's asking me about notifications from snipping tool. Oh my god. Windows is such unenlightened garbage, but it's like, how do I get away from Windows? Okay, so if we were to look at this part, let's just sketch this out. Okay, so we have a let's just imagine that we did put it on here. Okay, yeah, so if we, okay, let's just imagine that this is the shaft. So this is going to be M5 hole. Is that right? Okay, so then, I forget what this needs to be. I don't even have this, in, it's probably in my other document. Oops. Riley, you should check out some of my old videos where I built this super, what is going on here? This super sick thing called pan tilt. Alright, check out, let's see if we have a, it's been a while since I looked into this thing. Full assembly, it's probably full assembly. No, that's the old full assembly. I think it's just called BY. It shoots Nerf balls and it shoots them hella fast. Where is it? BY. I think it's BY. This is what it looks like. It's so sick. I don't know why I can't interact with this. There we go. This thing is badass. This thing is actually so sweet. But I don't know. It didn't pop off like I thought it would. Honestly, I didn't finish it. Like this all works. I have it sitting right up there. But the problem is the hopper. I never hooked up the hopper. Anyways, let's get back on track. We need to go to the variable studio. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so actually though, I really want to do that. I want to put an infrared sensor on this thing, and I want to have it detect fire. Wait, hold on. Let's just look up Chinese fire detecting water cannon. This thing is so freaking sweet. Wait. Fire what is that? Oh, come on, bro. I've seen some videos in like a Chinese airport or something where basically they light a fire in the airport, and then this cannon mounted to the ceiling sprays a jet of water at like super fast and high pressures to extinguish the fire in like 1 second. What should I look up to find the video? Plus it's topical because my state is burning to the ground. Dude. Okay, wait, what? No way, dude, you just found the video for me. That's so fucking awesome. Dude, look at those things. That thing is so sweet. This isn't the best video. Links in automatic. Let's see if we can find some better videos of this thing. Thing is so badass. Now that thing is freaking awesome, man. I want to build that so bad. That is super, super cool. I wonder if they, because they probably can't tell if it's like a lithium ion fire or not. So, you know, I don't know. Anyways, that's off topic. Okay, we need to figure out the distance. Okay, you know what? I am so dumb, bro. Let's just go to stepper. Isn't there just a thing called stepper? There we go. Do we have a version on this? I guess we do. Okay, so what we want to know is from this face to this circle, and then we want to go like this. We want the center dist. I guess it's gonna be the middle, right? It's just gonna be whatever over 2. So it's okay. 21.16. Heat sinking Nerf gun. Okay, this is wait. Parallel this 42. Yeah. That's what I thought. It's just in the middle. Why am I tripping out? So then that means that this needs to be stepper width over 2. Okay. And then this needs to be this. Do we have this 15.5? I wish I could do like a reverse search, man. There's so many features in Onshape that they just need to implement. That would be so much nicer. If you did like Control R here. Oops, that's not what I meant. You know, if I could like reverse search to find given a number, because I can remember the numbers in my head, but I can't remember the names. But the advantage of using the names is so much better. Okay, so what is it though? It's like, so that's why I just keep this open and go 15.5. Stepper shaft. I'm just going to do it here. It's 15.5. We should actually do it in here. Open linked document. Update linked document. The problem is, I think this is one of those ones that I want to move to here. Linux is obviously the best, but who the hell uses Linux, actually? I wish I could use Linux, bro. Don't get me wrong. Okay, so what do we want here is like stepper. Should I just name it the big long name? Such a terrible name. Step shaft to mount. Just delete this one. How do I delete this one? What the hell? Here we go. And this is 15.5. Okay, finally. So now we can hop back over to here, Okay, then this needs to be stepper, like that. Okay. Okay, that, the problem is, okay. Oh, well, first off, okay. Yeah. Dude, I even wrote a script that does this automatically for me. Builds me a NEMA 17. Honestly, should we try it? It wasn't general enough. Okay, wait, so now these all should move around. Okay, so then this needs to be mounted to the middle. It's a queue. This, or incident. Okay, there we go. So now it's fully locked in. So I'm wondering from this to this. Chrome OS most keys. Am I gonna make a DB when I'm sure there will be some in the future. Min dist, but we need the XYZ min dist. So Z, there is some Z travel there. So wait, but that's the min Z. Yeah, so technically we could just bore this whole thing out and make this way taller. But then this would be supported by 2 millimeters under, and that would be really bad. So let me think about what we want to do. We could definitely make these things. Well, we actually. Let's see. If I take this, so okay, so this would be the standard. This would be the standard mounting bracket for the stepper motor. If I take this point to this, oh my gosh, why is it selecting such random things? So but I want the min. Why is it doing the? Oh, okay, because it's a point. Okay, so the Z, it's at 31. 31. I think that's not going to work because if we go to how do you attach the stepper motor directly to this thing? I'm also going to level with you. There's no way that I'm going to change this now. We're too far into this project to change this. What I would do if I were to change this for real is I would use a lead screw. These are all terrible images. I would use a lead screw. And if I wanted to go real fancy, I would get a ball screw. But those ball screw things are expensive. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to figure something out because... Okay, so this thing... Where's my notes, bro? I gotta stay focused and keep track of this stuff. Oh, wait, hold on. Alright, I only have like an hour left before I have to go do something. Okay. So, okay, what would actually solve this problem is... Let's open this in a new tab. Is I think I just want to... I want to basically move this rail up to here. So instead of doing a mid-plane thing, I instead mount this stepper from the back here. So what we're going to do is we're going to make... And let me... Where is one of those pulley wheels? Do I have another one lying around? Just so I can look at it. What I'm trying to figure out... Well, I have the pulley wheel here. Wait, what did that say? CAD is like writing assembly, I swear. CAD is actually ridiculous. The amount of minute things that you have to do. Is my mic bad? I have the like the cheapest, I think it was like $35. This thing. I just bought the cheapest one. I just needed it to not sound like duty, but I didn't want to spend a lot. Okay, wait. Okay, so the belt, let's just dictate that the belt is in the center. So if the belt is in the center, then I have two options. I can either have the pulley wheel where the... Well, no. We want the set screw on the flat, and we won't be able to get the set screw all the way on the... Yeah, no worries. In the set screw, we gotta flip it around. So... Okay, so that means now we need to figure out if... I just want to build a little assembly so I can measure. So this is going to be like a... So we're going to... Oh, wait. It has to be an assembly? That's super annoying, actually. Okay. That's okay. Okay, so insert... I think it's... I don't even think we have it here, but so I got to look up step. Okay. Wait. No. Wait, what? Stepper and pantail, but I have... Oh, is that true, actually? Wait, but do I have a stepper here, too? What are these? That's, I guess... Hold on. I'm tripping out, bro. So this stepper, where is this? Where is this from? Open link document. Okay, it is pantail. All right, that's fine. I wish in some ways I kind of wish it was its own thing, but that's not. It's honestly not a big deal. All right, so we got this assembly. So insert. Oh God, that's so annoying. Okay, so we got this. Why isn't it inserting, though? Whatever. Okay, so then current document. Okay, so now the way that this has to go, because the set screw goes there, so we need to mount this to this. Okay, so now what we want to know is from here, which is where the thing is going to be mounted, to I guess the thing here, it's 9.9. So what does that mean? If the, well, hold on. The belt, wait, did I lose my, I lost my place. Shoot. Okay. I'm so bad at navigating this freaking program. So here's the problem. If this thing, okay, let's just take this sketch and keep moving. So if we were to just take, oh, and what we, okay. We would also want to, we could also just do this, and let's go to this variable studio. And what is that? Stepper notch hole, something. It's stepper notch diam. But no, but there's something called stepper notch hole, I think, which has the clearance. Yeah, okay, so stepper notch hole is 23. And I want to just keep doing this. Because I think it does update. I know that this is terrible, but... Alright, so then this needs to be stepper notch hole. And so if we were to just take this, this, extrude, remove, up to next. So the problem with that one is clear. I mean, we could do that. Like, there's actually not an issue with that. And then the other problem, wait, actually, is there? Would it? Well, no, this would be above the belt, so that would be fine. These ones below, we definitely have to figure out the... It's so funny, I always make 4 mounting holes, and then I only ever get 2 in because I never design it to be assembled. Try to think how we could do that. I mean... Let me think about this. We also need to sink this down. We need to draw a sketch onto here and sink down. We want to, like... sink this down maybe up to there by the amount that we need for this to be at wait, but that's like so much. That's like 10. We don't really have 10, but we wanted to raise it by 8 anyways. Okay, so we're gonna raise it by 8. So wait, let me get a piece of paper. Dude, I should always have paper lying around. Okay, all right, so right now, I think it's at 21.16, and then we're raising it by 8, so that's going to be 29.16. So we need to update carriage, so update. Google Dictate? What's Google Dictate? Okay. Okay, wait. I'm locked in right now. I gotta figure this out. Okay, so what this is... So if we were to take this to here... Its center dist is 31. Okay, so we only have to move it down by 2. Wait. Hold on. The problem here is that if unfortunately we don't really have the belt in. Actually, has anyone done on-shape timing belt? But I thought that it was like not. Oh, you know what it was? It was like closed. You could do it, but it was like, yeah, only closed curves. And that's not really like what I have. Right, I remember that. So anyways, the problem here is that. Oh wait, we'll just have to add the radius. So this is 12.22 is the diameter of GT2 wheel. So 6.11 is that true? Why does that seem so high? If it's right, it's right. So that means that we need to do. So the height of the thing. I think it's fine. I think I can just move everything up by 8. So. All right. So let's just do it. So what we're gonna do actually is we're gonna move before this. I'm gonna sketch on here. This should be fine, right? We just take. Wait, why don't we have this? Oh, why are we on the wrong? What the heck? Okay. Sketch on here. Okay, we're gonna use this, this, and this, and I guess we want to use. Well, that should be good. So we're gonna take this and go to here. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna depress it by. Okay, and then now this number, I should make it parametric. What's bushwhack 18? I don't want to Google that. Okay, so. But the problem is, okay, the shaft height is 24. So if we want, well, okay, so we're not going to get the I think what we want to do actually is just take this. We are going to raise it up. That's still going to be a thing. So we're going to remove by like, I think it's like, let's see, what were we at? We were at 31 point something. So if I do this, and then I roll this forward, is this going to error? Because this sketch, that's correct. But the problem is it's picking the wrong. Time to drink water? What does that mean? Well, whatever. We can still get this. Ugh. So this to here. Yeah, 31.16. Alright, cool. So 2 was correct. So now we just have to fix. Oh, okay, wait, hold on. This. So this. Nice, okay. Chill. So there we go. So that's like that. And you do this. And then you do this. Wait, what? Why didn't that do what I wanted? Okay, so we have a bed for this to sit in, and it's the correct height. I can put 2 real long mounting screws. The thing is, I think I do have long enough mounting screws for this to work, 25. So I would need it to be like M3 by 30s, so that would probably work. Devour H2O. Okay, so what's next? So we have the pulley at the right height. Now we need to let's just make sure that we update the rest of everything. So this feature, this extrude, so this sketch, yeah, so instead of that, so let's make this a parameter. So not in here, but in here. Okay, so this is going to be bottom, or I'll just say center pulley wheel center height. That's the name. And this is going to be 29.16. Okay, and then let's just add a documentation thing. What's up, Yoel? Nice to see you. Day is wonderful. I feel incredible. I'm feeling ready to finish this thing off. Here's the part that we made yesterday. It actually is quite rigid. I think it's going to work pretty well. The only thing I'm worried about is I didn't enable supports, so it has some hanging little things at the top, so I'm wondering if I'll actually be able to get it in there. Kind of worried about that. Really? This thing is huge, dude. This is a huge part. This part's so big that if I put this thing here, let's get rid of this. If I put this thing here, it's gonna collide with this. So I'm gonna have to move this somehow. And what I want to do is I want to actually model the board along with this. Yeah, this part is way bigger than I realized. But it should give me some mechanical advantage here. It should be going like that much. Plus, this one doesn't really do anything. Its spring is bad anyway, so I could just take it out. The best one is this one. This one's hella good. And then this one also probably will need to be moved. But I could just move it in here, I think. Anyway, so that's that. Let's get back to CAD. Low center of gravity with big feet is the best stability. So this is good or no? I think this is good. I mean, it's got triangles in it. I hear triangles are a good shape to use. Okay. So, all right. So we got the pulley wheel. So now that we've created the variable, we should be able to go and make this pulley wheel. Wait. Oh, wow. That's a bug. Because what we want is we want this to here. That was a bug because we want it to the center. So this needs to be pulley wheel center height. Okay. So there we go. Oh, so that means I gotta reprint this? Great. I mean, we did raise it up pretty significantly. Should be okay. I don't mind reprinting. So where do I need to go now? Okay, I need to go to this. And we need to... wait, what is that? Oh, that's between this. And then I did define this. So that needs to be true. But the problem is... okay, wait, so let's just delete that. So I want that to be Just like okay, perfect. And so we want this to be pulley wheel center height. Oh wait, 29. Wait, but then what is this? This should be stepper width over 2. What is that? 42.32. That's good. All right, I don't know why it looked like it moved, because that's correct. Maybe I moved it. Okay, so we have the heights set up correctly now. I don't know why I bored it through all the way. That's not good. We don't really need that whole thing bored all the way through. Actually, maybe that's nice, because then we can get to the other side just for installability of this thing. But now the next problem here is that from this face to this face is 20 millimeters, but the shaft height is 24. So that means that I think I want to just literally do something jank. Take this, extrude this by 4. The freaky designs that you come up with when you're... Look at what happened with the fillet. But, like, at the same time, do I really care? Wait, but I thought there was one other complication. Do I have the holes to be able to attach the bolts? So I can't get to these, really. But I can get to these if I use really long bolts. So it's kind of like a disgusting design, but I bought a kit of like a ton of different M3 bolts, because M3 is like the thing that I use by far the most. So I should have some long M3s, like M3 by 30s. So this should be fine. At least I can get 2 of them in there. I could also just extrude these all the way through too. So I could just make it up to face. But the problem is with the fillet. Actually, can I just move the fillet down? Yeah, that's okay. That's actually what you want. You always, I think I heard this from someone. You always want to just have your fillets at the end. Wait, but why did I break everything? Oh, it broke everything because of shit. Okay, lesson for next time. I guess did it break everything though? Some are missing. I feel like that's fine. I feel like I'm okay with that. Okay, so now if we go from this face to here, it's 24.6, which is nice because that means that I can now put and the width here is exactly enough for this pulley wheel. So I think that this part is okay. We can get 2 holes into it. We can get this into here. I'm probably going to enable supports on this design. Let's see if fillet is broken. Where's fillet broken? Let's just delete those missing ones. Oh, it's for here. The fillets, I think, add a lot of strength, actually. I've heard that. Not that I'm like an expert at finite element analysis or whatever, but I have heard that fillets reduce the concentration of stress. Why does this height look different than this height? It's because of the extruded part. Yeah. Okay, so is there any problem with this? What I want to do is I want to try this. I never do this, but I want to try this. I want to do add variable for this measurement. Oh, but it's so dumb. It's actually so dumb. It's like, I always want to move it to, like, I don't want to, like, that's great and all, but what I want to have it is in my variable studio. I don't like variables. It's like local scope. But it's also not just looking good. It is a strength thing, but yeah, they are like largely cosmetic. It is largely cosmetic. Are we in the right place? Okay, so what we want to do is pulley wheel What this isn't fully pulley wheel. Toothed diam. I don't know what that means, but there we go. Hello, Riley. Okay, so there we go. So now what we want to do is we want to make this height plus the radius here, so this divided by 2 at... Okay, so now how are we going to do this? I think we're almost ready to print all this stuff again. We just need to... Well, there's a couple more fixes, and then I'm, like, ready to be done. But I need to watch my phone. I'm gonna get some more coffee really quickly. We're almost there. So this should be able to. You put the You put the I really did want to make this so that this stepper was back more, but this will be stronger. But the problem with this is that I just think it might collide with the... Yeah, if I were to put this here, see if it's like this. We'll have to find out, because I'm not gonna like go. I'm not gonna like if it doesn't work, we'll fix it later. But I can't keep so much stuff in my head. What's up, Ole? I got to get some more coffee. Oh, it's so nice and sunny outside. I have 4 viewers. Oh my gosh. It's so nice and sunny outside, but it's freezing. Well, it's freezing for California. Okay. What is the next step here? The next step is we need to raise up the... Actually, I think we're going to be good. This thing was designed to be kind of like the perfect height. Okay, cool. Alright, getting to this nut is going to be kind of a pain. I wish I could open that up a little. I could open it up a little bit. Alright, so what is next is, what is this part called? Dude, what if Onshape went down again? That'd be crazy. Switch to X, switch to carriage. Okay, so let's... Do they have a play button? Let's see. How did... Okay, sketch, extrude... Wait. Sketch, extrude, sketch, extrude, sketch, extrude. Okay, so that's the one. This amount. Whoa, that's an interesting number. Side slot, how's that? Hold on, wait, I'm in the middle of this. I think I just want to reduce that by 8. I literally think all I want to do is reduce it by 8. But the thing is, I wish it was more parametric than that. Like, I wish that I could... Because this is just some random number. I have no idea where this... This is the problem when I design stuff, dude. I used to be actually way better about parameterizing everything, but it's like... Refactoring CAD is such a tricky thing. Okay, so wait, let's go back to the full assembly. So we should have variable studio, and then this is the full assembly. So that's my first 2 tabs. Okay, so it shouldn't actually be touching, but it does look like it is, which is no good. Are these 2 parts interfering? If I go like, no, yeah, see there's a gap there. All right, that's enough gap for me. 0.3. And then I would love to make this wall a little bit stronger and this wall a little bit bigger, but for right now we're not going to do that. I mean, I probably should make it stronger, because the thing, okay, whatever. There's 2 more updates that we need to make. I need to make this wall thicker. Wait, actually, how was I able to get this countersink in there? How deep is this countersink? 3.2. These are M3 as well, I think, right? If I were to go to this part, switch to X. Can I hide this? Okay, so those are M3. So then I guess I can just put the countersink in here as is. Or the counter bore. So wait, let's switch to this part. Wait, did we finish everything? I think we did finish everything. Let's see, does that look right? If I were to take, like, this circle and this circle. Why am I not getting any measurements? It should be right. Where are you getting twist in the actual printed part of the rail? I think the rail, because it's like stainless steel, is rigid enough. I think it's mostly just printed parts. So I made 2 improvements. I don't remember the last time you were in the stream, but I'm doing a couple of improvements. First off, I'm making it so that the rail is fully surrounded, and then a bolt goes through the entire rail and is clamped down. And so that should act like a real tight cinch on the thing. Because the thing is, the other option would also be, of course, making this way longer so that I could put 2 bolts in it. But the problem is I don't want to give up the bed space. So I think that this is maybe a healthy compromise. So then I'm going to do that on both sides. Then the second thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to I'm basically going to take this face and I'm going to extrude it. So if we just were to just switch to this, I'm basically just going to extrude this by 24 more. And then I'm gonna add 2 more sets of holes here, or 1 more set of holes here. So then what I can do is I can put 2 sets of bearings in, so that because what I noticed when just playing around with this thing, it's gonna be hard to tell just visually, but if I try to hold this down, honestly, there's a little bit of play in the bearings. So I know it's hard to see. There, that's a pretty good thing. See, I'm holding down everything else. I know you can see wobble here, but if you just focus on the carriage, there is some play in the bearings. So I'm thinking if I can just make more bearings, then I should have a better time. Okay, but what we need to do is we need to go to this counterbore thing. Where is that feature? Why isn't it showing me what feature that is? Oh, it's this. Okay, so when we do this, we just also want to do why can't I? What the heck? Why can't I select this? Whatever. It's okay. We can just do this. Oh, you know why? Because we need to edit the sketch. It's this. But where do I sketch the hole? Get these planes out of my face. Where did I sketch this? It's also going to make it way harder to install, kind of, but should be okay. Oh, wait. And we actually need to change these. We need to... Okay, so wait, hold on. Let me just... For Y carriage, we need to... Okay, counterbore holes. We need to add holes in the top for mounting, for assembly. Then we need to change set screw diam to take. I guess I'll just put some. I don't know. I don't really want to put M3s in there. I kind of want to put something. Honestly, I let's see. Okay, wait. I wanted to ask this earlier. List for the most standard common M series bolts. What the difference between the diff between nominal, major, and minor diams. I'm guessing that the tooth height gets bigger, right? Yeah, so it gets bigger. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so now what I want to know is if I'm using a bolt as a set screw, the bigger the bolt, the bolt, the stronger the hold should be, right? Wow, I really can't understand me saying the word bolt. It said birth, and then it said built. Weird. But the thing is... I can also tighten it down more if I use the sockets. It really stinks because I bought this kit, which honestly has served me pretty well. For metric bolts, but it's hex head, and I actually kind of dislike hex headed bolts. I really prefer socket. Anyways, you gotta use what you gotta use. Alright, so let's just say it's an M6. Let's just go with M6. See, this is where you want to use a function. This is why programming CAD would be so much better, because I could just say whatever. It's just the use of parameters being more efficient. Using parameters in programming is way better than using... Wait, why do these look different? Oh, no, they're the same. Okay, wait. So, change the set screw diameter to take an M6 threaded or not threaded insert, but tapped. Okay? So, counterbore the holes, add the holes in the top for the assembly. Okay, and is that it? Is that all we need to do? So we did this extrusion, and I kind of want to just... That seems fine, and then I'll mirror these holes. All right, so let's just do the counterbore first. Where is that sketch where we do that, though? We don't have this hole. Okay. Wait, but what extrude was that? What? Which sketch was it? Why don't I just do this? And that should be a parameter too. Anyways, who cares? How much room do we have? 3 mils of 3 mils is not that much. Fuck, but I'm really trying to speed run this because I gotta go. Okay. So wait, hold on. Now we want to do... Okay, so I did that. So I did the counter bore. Now we need to add the holes in the top. So we want to sketch on here. And we want to use this. Oh, it's going to be hard to get to that. Whatever, let's just do this, and this. Use. Oh, wait. Okay. So that's kind of a lot of holes, but we could just do this. So then we can at least get the thing in there when we're installing it. Should make it a little bit easier to get to install something. This is going to be kind of jank. Look at that. Oh well. Wait, what is the min distance between these faces? 0.7. Yeah, that's... honestly, though, it should be okay. But that's kind of janky. Okay, so we did the holes in the top. Now we need to change the set screw. So where's this feature done? This is this. It's, I guess, this sketch. So we actually want this to be 6 minus tapped hole reduction. Dude, this is... that's the worst feature of Onshape, is that they really... the units checking is so overburdensome. It's like, why can't you do 5 plus 5? How am I planning to get tinycnc to print from the website? Ole could speak to that. I don't know if Ole's here, but basically the idea is we host static files somewhere like Cloudflare or somewhere that someplace that hosts static whatever. So then there's a public IP. Then privately, I basically in the settings of that tell it to redirect that traffic to my private IP so that that's not public. And then I have a little script running or a little server running on my local computer that listens for forwarded requests from the host. Honestly, dude, I don't have the process down. I think that you're overestimating my skills. Okay, so we have a mid plane here. So now we want to just take these two, or we want to do a mirror. What the hell? Okay. Okay, wait, which feature was it? This was extrude 7. Okay. So then so mirror, feature mirror, extrude 7, plane. Oh wait. It's so annoying. There's all these really annoying things about this. Okay, so there we go. So then I'm going to tap these and then put... Wait, why didn't that work? Oh my gosh, that's so annoying. So now we need to mirror a mirror. Can you even mirror a mirror? Feature mirror. Features to mirror mirror. Wait, which mirror was it? It was this mirror. Wait, what? Yeah, it is mirror 1. I don't know why the highlight is... Oh, because I mirrored way more stuff. Ay, ay, ay. What the heck is going on here? How do I get this hole here? Let's just look at the original sketch and we can just draw it again. It's in the center of a... So this is 23. Okay, 23. And I think this looks square to me. 24, great, not square. Okay, but it's in the center of this. So that means that it's going to be... this way, it's going to be 12 down. And then this way, it's going to be 11.5. Okay, great. So we can just manually do the sketch. I really don't care. The problem is it's like messy design. It's like when a mathematician proves a beautiful theorem and they do it in a beautiful way, it's a joy. But so wait, so what do we want to do? We want to just do this. So there's a line going here. It's Q. This line is going to be 12. Okay. Then we're going to have a line that goes like... Oh, yeah. Wait. We want to do it like this. And it's 11.5. Perfect. So now we can do a circle here. Ay, ay, ay. And we want this to be 6 millimeters. Oh, I'm so bad. Minus tap hole reduction. Okay, great. So now I can take this and extrude, remove, up to next. Does up to next work? Oh, it does. Okay, great. All right, cool. So this part is done, I think. Honestly, I didn't think that song was as bad as everyone said. I kind of liked the melody on it. I kind of liked the beat. So I think that got too much hate. Okay. That might be super cringe, but I don't really care. Alright. So now we've... Alright, we're done. This part is done. This cantilever with the motor sagging like this, maybe what we can do is we can... I don't know. That's like not going to improve it that much. There's just such a bending moment. The bending moment at the end of this thing is so high. But in any case, it should help it a tiny bit. And it's like, so what? Okay, so we have all 3 parts. Well, we have 4 parts to print. Wow. So I basically have to rebuild the whole thing. But I think we're done. So this part is junk, unfortunately. This part I gotta totally reprint. Gosh, I gotta rebuild this whole thing. It kind of stinks, but I guess it's not. I've also moved everything Picasso related into the separate crate. Cool. That's nice. I guess that makes sense. Alright, so let's export these files and get ready to print them. The problem here that's annoying, that's different than software engineering, is that when you have you make a bunch of designs to an existing design, or you make a bunch of changes to an existing design, there's no test suite. I don't know. There's no test suite, so I can't just like make sure that this thing is going to work like I expect it to. So we didn't have to raise it up, which is nice. That is nice. And the reason why that's nice is because then the height... Alright, so let's just do this thing. So we're going to export this. We're going to export this. Oh wait, this is nothing. I'm going to export this again. We're gonna export this. This is a big part, man. This is like so overkill. I'm like kind of worried it's gonna interfere too much. Because it's gonna go out to like there. Oh, Q, that's cool because I was expecting that we needed a queue of some sort. So the problem is, okay, if this is the front of, because this point is the same distance as what it'll stick into in the into the actual design here. So then that means that it's going to extend out all the way to like there. So I'm just wondering. I think we should be okay. Anyways, we should be okay. If something goes wrong. But maybe what I'll do, actually, just to... Oh, but see, look at that. So we need to actually fix this slightly. So we need to insert linear bearing. Where's the linear bearing? Linear... Oh, wait, it's not in other. It's in current document. Okay. Yeah, we need to, before I print, I should actually make a habit of just always updating the, there it is. 1, 2. Okay, so now let's just quickly do this. Mate. So there'll be 2 sets of bearings in there. And that should... It might tip onto its side while printing. I don't know what that means. Okay, and so now we need to actually get rid of... So now we need to go... Oh, wait, actually I messed this up. Let's just delete this. What is this part? Oh, that's the pen. Okay, wait, let's just fix that really quickly. Okay. Alright, so now we want to go to the X. Okay, first let's go to the Y, because that has an easy... Oh, I saw it. I see that it sticks out slightly there, but I don't care to fix that, honestly. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so now we can go to X and fix X. So now in X, wait, what the hell just, oh, no, okay. So we're good. Oh, and this will be higher up, but I think that should be okay. At Bob. Bob Simple. Dude, this part is so cringe, man. Alright, so let's just we're going to take this and just delete it. Wait, this is fixed. Oh, that's the fixed part, though? Oy, oy, oy. Okay. So what we want to do... This is all good. Can this be moved around? Okay, so we're going to insert... this part. Okay, then we're going to do this. That is going to go to the bottom. In there. And then wait, we need to make... That does look way stronger. Oh no. Oh no. Damn it. Okay, wait, hold on. We need to do a little fix here. Damn it. Oh shoot. Okay, so we need to remove that fillet and then we're just going to like hot patch this because that's so so stupid. See, this is why you assemble before you print, though. Because could you imagine if I did this and then it just, like, never hit the freaking limit switch, bro? No, but the thing is, the limit switch needs to... This button needs to hit something. Okay, so then let's just fix this, too. So we need... Oh, fuck. How do I get this center? Oh, there we go. I think it's that. To there. That should be perfect, dude. That looks so good. Yeah, specifically the limit switch needs to bump up. Dude, this looks so good. Wait. So let's go to the full assembly and see what it looks like. So what I want to know is if I go over here, that's about touching, and then I move this in. Yeah, all right, I think we're good. I could just make the fillet bigger. Yeah, all right, you know what? Fuck it. We just got to make it bump that thing. Why not? All right, so we're going to go here. We're going to go to the bottom. We're going to take this. It's going to be this fillet, so we want to just get rid of this edge. Okay, then we want to do another fillet here. And let's just make it like 20. That's huge. That's too much. 10. Okay, let's look at the... Good thinking. Good thinking, Riley. See, that's how you think on your feet. Alright, let's see. Does it bump it? It needs to update, I think. I think that's the old one. There we go. Wait, let's just go to X. Great idea, man. That's awesome. That's perfect. Let's go. That was awesome. I really enjoyed that. Okay. So, wait, but let's look at the full assembly one more time. And then we can make a version. Okay, so wait, what about the other limit switch? Because we do want to make sure that everything... This limit switch should be unchanged, I think. Yeah. Okay, cool. Good stuff. Look at this cringe hole pattern. But I genuinely do think that there's almost no way that this is going to be less rigid than the other design. I know, Riley really came in with a clutch suggestion. Why it look like Swiss cheese? I know, man. It's like so nonsensical. Bro, it's like we're making Seussical the musical here. Okay, yeah, so we'll probably have to remove... So, oh wait, hold on. I wanted to do one more thing, actually. This is going to be kind of cringe. So this needs to be a square. Okay, it needs to be 2 feet by 2 feet. Okay. Then we need to extrude this by 3/4 inch. Okay. So this is the wood board. And can I change the appearance on this, or can I only do it? I think I can only change the appearance in... Oh, wait, here we go. Edit appearance. So wait, let's just rename this to be board. We're not going to print this, but I do want to add it to the assembly. Assign material. Wood. Oh, wait. What about... Can I do, ply? No, it doesn't have plywood. But just pick some random wood. That's cool. Balsa. Beech, birch. Who knows? Okay, now edit appearance for the board. It's kind of like yellowish. That seems good. Okay. So now we want to somehow mount... Okay, so why don't we just put the holes... Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to just add holes to this thing. So I didn't really do this in a principled way before. But let's just... Wait, I don't want to lose these, actually. So let's just do... So what do we need to do? We need to do like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is so painful. Because you got to go vertical, horizontal, horizontal, vertical. And I wonder, actually, can I just take this? Oh, wait, and then let's make these equal. And then let's just try to duplicate this. There we go. That's what we want to do. Okay, so let's take these and delete them. Okay, then the diameter of this is going to be, I think we said 7/64. Yeah, they're real tiny. But then the problem is, so now we need to go back to X. I want to get this printing before I'm like, but whatever. So, okay, so the whole pattern is going to be 180.6, and then across is 45.32. All right. Is that the same over here? No, this one's different. So this is for, okay, so this is motor. When am I live streaming again? Dude, I don't really have a schedule, but I think I'm going to leave for like an hour and a half, and then I'll be back later today to do the assembly probably, and maybe work on the website a little bit. And then from there on, we're going to be really just grinding the video. It's just going to be grinding the video editing, getting shots, doing all this stuff that I honestly... see ya. And then once the video is out, I'm going to need my streaming community to share the shit out of that, because I'm guessing that it's going to be very hard to get... I don't know. Even if the video is very good, for just based on my historical video, yeah. So, because the thing is, right now it's broken, right? So I wanted to test it yesterday, but it's just so janky that I just don't even want to use this thing right now. So this was sort of my priority. But yeah, hopefully we can get the HTTP request working. Why is this called part 1 and part... Okay, so we need to rename these. So in xidler, okay. What is this? This is nothing. Cool. I really want to get this video out there, because this thing is gonna be sick. Interactivity. We got a lot of the elements of a good video. Interactivity. It's a cool device. Anyone can build it. It's pretty cheap to build. I'm not expecting like 100,000 views, but I could imagine it getting 10,000 views over its lifetime. I don't think I've ever had Gumbo. Okay. Wait. What were we doing? We're doing the hole patterns. Shit. So we need to go to this. Alright, we can just go to X. So, here to here. So for the other one, this is going to be 18. And then 180 should be the same. I don't think that's changed. Perfect. I'm down to do a how to make blog post. We could also make an assembly video that's like not engaging but educational, right? Because there's sort of, I feel like for this type of content, there's sort of two major axes on which we could think about this. One is how entertaining is it, and the other one is how educational it is. No, I'm not a real Cajun. Okay, wait, hold on. I gotta print this stuff. So first off, all right, we can do the wood board stuff later. It seems like all of this stuff is gonna work. So did I actually export it all at the right time, or did I make changes? What did I export? Okay, so we got the motor mount. I'm just going to delete these and we're going to do it all again. Okay, so this part. If I export that, does that give me a zip or is that a part? I think that gives me a step file. Yeah, okay, cool. So we got the X motor mount. We got the idler. Okay. We got this part, which we need, the X carriage. And then we got this thing has been redesigned. Oh, guys, by the way, I deleted my LinkedIn. I couldn't do it. There's no way I'm having my LinkedIn right there. Because the thing is, it was literally bugged. I was trying to change the email. I was trying to change the email so that my public email, like my real email, is not on it. And it was bugged. I kept trying to add an email and it just did not work. And I was like, you know what? I don't fucking need this thing. Anyways, it was pissing me off and I'm just like, you know what? Delete. This might be too big. Oh, no, it'll work. So wait, but I want to see, I probably need supports at least somewhere. You know what? I'm going to do supports where I need a tight fit. 5 hours of printing? Holy crap. Okay. So wait, I think I want supports. I'm just going to do supports everywhere. I actually like supports. Even though it's a pain in the freaking butt, I actually do like supports because then at least I know that the parts are like accurate. But actually, I want to know how much filament I have left because the problem is right now, I need to go outside and check because the problem right now is that there's a roll of support filament, and I think support filament, that's what these white pieces are in here, and I think that that's why it broke, is because I think the support filament is weaker or something. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Anyways, I'll be right back. Okay. I feel like I probably have enough to print this. But wait, did we slice it yet? What is it going to look like when it's sliced? It's going to be a lot of freaking support removal. But I actually prefer it because then at least the parts will work. 7 hours though. Oh my god. I guess I'm just gonna work on the website today. Oh, dude, 7 hours of printing. Ay, ay, ay. It sucks that I can't use that part and save 2 hours. Ay, ay, ay. It seems like my chat has been sort of working today. Ay, 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 bro. Actually, why doesn't this feature have support? I guess this feature doesn't need a support. Ugh, this is brutal, bro. 200 grams. I probably have that. I'm actually going to just go put another roll in it, just in case. Blue-gray PLA. Where's a knife? Fuck, I need a real knife. Alright. Okay, I'm going to just go put another roll in of the good stuff. How do I make a belt? You buy the belt. And actually, speaking of, do I have enough belt? Because I don't need to replace... Well, I can use that belt, but this one is going to be slightly too short because I made it longer. Wow, this is loose. Yeah, I'm excited to see how the belt tensioning mechanism works. Okay, so let's just go add... What? What the heck? Wait. Select a printer and device page? I want to refresh it, though. Alright, whatever. I don't care. I'll be back in a second. Is anyone there? Hold on. Oh wait, is this the support material? I don't know. Whatever, this roll is... This might have been the support material. I don't remember what was wrong with that. I needed one of these things. Okay. Okay. Oh no, everyone left. Everyone left. Okay. So I think we're all good. Okay. Another one hits the graveyard. Alright, so we're ready to actually hit print now. Alright. Well, I'm about to end this stream anyway, so what's the big deal? Alright, 7 hours. Let's see. In 7 hours, it'll be 5 p.m. Damn, I'm not going to get to assemble this thing. Come on, bro. That sucks. If I disable supports, I might be able to get it in time. I kind of want the supports, though. Whatever, let's just do it. Yeah, I prefer the supports just because, like, there's a couple of parts with a tight fit, and if the thing sags or whatever, I know. Well, I don't really care about that. I mean, what did it say the cost was? $7. I mean, it's not like. I guess it adds up, right? I mean, I wasted this part, but that's because I changed the height of this thing. So we can just take it and throw it into the yoink bin. All right. Okay, peace out, guys. That's it for today.
That's it for right now. I might be back later.